Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Hourglass Trades. We will discuss DermTech today. This is a multi-bagger stock and will grow in leaps and bounds. The stock has great future potential and now is the best time to look at the stock for future multi-bagger returns. The company is revolutionizing the skin cancer treatment using its sticker. DermTech uses the smart sticker that is changing everything. In past, if anyone was diagnosed with melanoma, then the doctors had to cut the patient's skin to test for melanoma. But DermTech technology can be used to prevent the surgery. DermTech uses a smart sticker to pick up skin cells off from a patient's mole instead of using a scalpel to get the RNA material. The sticker is pressed on the patient having mole, then is quickly picked up, which then picks up the patient's skin's RNA material with it. Let me update what a RNA is. A RNA is called ribonucleic acid, a nucleic acid present in organisms of all living cells. Its principal role is to act as a messenger carrying instructions from DNA for controlling the synthesis of proteins, although in some viruses RNA rather than DNA carries the genetic information. Let me explain why DermTech is a multi-bagger and how it solves the skin cancer issue. Melanoma is a type of skin cancer that begins in the melanocytes cells, which controls the pigment in your skin. A melanocyte cells is a mature melanin-forming cell, especially in the human skin. Pigmentation means coloring, and skin pigmentation disorders affect the color of your skin. Your skin gets its color from a pigment called melanin. Melanoma is a serious type of skin cancer, and it occurs when the pigment-producing cells that give color to the skin become cancerous. The symptoms for melanoma might include a new, unusual growth or a change in an existing mole. Melanomas can occur anywhere on the body. The melanoma treatment may involve surgery, radiation, medications, or in some cases chemotherapy. Melanoma is a serious form of skin cancer that begins in cells known as melanocytes. While it is less common than basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma, melanoma is more dangerous because of its ability to spread to other body organs more rapidly if it is not treated at a very early stage. When melanoma is detected early, the survival rate is 99%. But it drops to 27% once it spreads to distant cells. DermTech's test can find melanoma sooner. A DermTech melanoma test looks for melanoma at the genetic level and is 10,000 times more closer than the traditional biopsy way. DermTech melanoma test tests information from the whole mole from a patient in comparison to a traditional biopsy, which often evaluates only up to 1 to 2% of the patient's mole. Let's explain the process DermTech uses for melanoma findings. In the first step for detecting melanoma, the doctor uses a series of smart stickers on the patient to collect skin cells from a patient's suspicious mole. This can be done at a provider's office, or remotely via telehealth under the healthcare provider's supervision. In the second step, a test is performed at DermTech's Gene Lab. A proprietary process looks for the presence of elevated expression levels of two genes proven to correlate with melanoma, which are respectively named LINCO-0518 and PREM. In the last step is the results for melanoma, wherein DermTech sends test results to your doctor in about 3 business days. The healthcare provider or doctor will use this information to choose the best path forward for your melanoma treatment. If the genomic markers in patient are there, this will typically result in removal of the mole. If the genomic markers in patient are not there, then the patient has saved a surgery. The DermTech melanoma test is extremely accurate with a 99% negative predictive value. That is a 99% probability that a negative test means you really don't have the melanoma disease. As per Business Wire, the National Comprehensive Cancer Network Clinical Practice Guidelines in Oncology recognize the use of pre-diagnostic non-invasive genomic patch testing for melanoma, like the DermTech plan, to help guide biopsy decisions for lesions suspicious of melanoma. Genomics is the branch of molecular biology concerned with the structure, function, evolution, and mapping of genomes. DermTech is the leading genomics company in dermatology and is creating a new category of medicine, precision dermatology, enabled by our non-invasive skin genomics platform. Dermatology is the branch of medicine dealing with the skin. It is a specialty which uses both medical and surgical aspects. A dermatologist is a specialist medical doctor who manages diseases related to skin, hair, nails, and some cosmetic problems. DermTech's mission is to transform dermatology with our non-invasive skin genomics platform, to democratize access to high-quality dermatology care, and to improve the lives of millions. DermTech provides genomic analysis of skin samples collected non-invasively using an adhesive patch rather than a scalpel. DermTech markets and develops products that facilitate the early detection of skin cancers, and is developing products that assess inflammatory diseases and customize drug treatments. Our glass trades want to help viewers make informed financial decisions to grow their money. Our glass trades wants to help users make money with the best stocks is the objective. Please help in subscribing to the channel. Please pay attention to my disclaimer and for the channel Hourglass Trades. I am not a certified financial planner or an advisor, and the advice here is only for informational purpose only. Please use your research to make any financial decisions.